I still have hiccups, by the way. I don't know how to get rid of them. I tried everything, dude. It's still there. Like, it'll just come out of nowhere, and I feel like... What do I do? What do you guys do to fix it? To fix hiccups? Because they just keep coming. Should I just keep drinking my tea? Ugh. Warm water and holding my breath. Holding my breath, you said? Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Hold my breath. How long do I have to hold my breath for? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna like chug a bunch of water, then hold my breath, okay? Okay. 30 seconds? I had to hold my breath for 30 seconds? What? Hold up. Ugh. Okay. Okay. I think that was enough. I think that was more than enough. I feel... You know what? Is it coming? Oh my god. Wait, it's gone. Holy shit. You guys are geniuses. It's gone. Oh my god. It's gone. Let's go. Oh wait, no, it's back. Oh, oh shit. It came back. No. Oh no. Fuck me, man. I spoke too soon? Yeah, I probably did. Oh wait, maybe it's gone now. Because like, it spooked me when it came back. So it like tricked itself. Like it played itself. So, you know like how when people say when you scream or like get scared, like your hiccups go away? Like my hiccups spooked me. So in reality, it got rid of itself. I think it did. Oh my god, that's crazy, dude. Oh, no, it's still there. God damn it! I don't know how to get rid of these. Oh man, don't look at me, dude. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. I love how all of you decide to just, you know, I saw videos on Twitter and YouTube. You guys love clipping the stuff I say. Hey, don't clip. Because, hey, look, I sneezed last stream, right? And then you guys are like, oh, I'm just gonna spread this. But like, how many times have we... Oh my god, how many times have we done it? Or like, how many times have I gotten caught with my pants down like that? I don't know. Just drink some more water. Okay. Alright, maybe I just gotta chug a whole bottle. Alright? Yeah, let me try that. Okay. Maybe that helped. There goes all my water. Man,